What's goody, what's goody, what's goody, what's goody? I'm back again, you know, in quarantine as per usual. Missleidy could not make it because one, nobody's flying right now. She's stuck in Miami. She won't be back. So you're stuck with me. Now, she ordered something she was really wanting.
Was good.
And we got it in the mail. So we're doing a little unboxing today. What's goody? So without further ado, let's get into it. What's good? Now, this little boxy right here, Boxy Moxie, is from NSE Tropicals. Thank you, Enid.
The legends.
Let's get into it and see what's in this box. What's good? I had to X out my address because I know that there's some creepy crawlers out there who might want to know where I live. What's good? Now we got our trusty knife. Let's get into it. I'm gonna just give a little cut. This is some good quality tape because usually it'd be a little harder than that. But what's good? What's good? What's good? All right. We open the box, y'all. Missleidy was really excited about this one, so I'm excited for her to see what's good. Little tissue paper. Little tissue paper. Oh, you know what? Let me save that because we might run out of toilet paper and we're gonna need a little something to wipe. What's good? Tissue paper. Look at this. A heat pack. Still warm. I'm gonna need that. I don't know if my electricity is gonna shut off. What's good? Oh my God. Here she is. Now let me make sure there's nothing else in here. There's nothing else in here. And I got my little certificate. What's good? So let's take this off. I'm gonna be very careful because I don't want to damage these leaves, you know? Because that'd be a shame, right? ASMR. Ooh. I'm gonna hold it over my sink because there might be some loose dirt. And I don't want to make a mess. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she is beautiful. Look at her. Look at those black freaking leaves with those purple undersides. Oh my gosh, she is beautiful. This is before I say it wrong, it's a Geogenanthus silitus. So beautiful. Missleidy been wanting this plant for a minute. So we're really excited to have it. Oh my gosh, it has like these little like furry like stems. It's beautiful. So cute. Oh my God, and it has this like purple veining. Okay, this is gorge. Quality gorge. I don't think anything less coming from NSE. She's amazing. Like I got a flying squid from her and it was impeccable condition. And this is like in impeccable condition too. The leaves are all intact. It's gorgeous. So yes, really happy to have this and so happy to have it in my collection. So yeah, y'all, that's it for the unboxing today. So I'll be seeing y'all soon. What's good? If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, ding ding, so you can be notified when Missleidy releases a new video. I won't be here for long. But what's good? Have a good one. Stay in quarantine.